In the previous video, we created a ping file that had some transparent areas in it, and it was a tight rectangle around the image that we want to use in our program. Once you've done that, then you need to add it to your program, and this is what needs to be done to add it to your program. Any image, any font, any sound file that you add to your program, those are called game content, and there's a folder here that we need to put those in. And there's a little more to it than just putting it in the folder. If I open this folder up, there's one file here right now, and it's called content.mgcb, and you run this program. Okay, now this is what comes up. However, first time you run this program, what you'll get is this. And you have to tell it what programs you want to use to open this file. And you'll get a bunch of choices here, but down at the bottom there should be one called the Monogame pipeline tool. And you want to select that, you want to set it as your default, and click on OK. Okay? And you do that once. And after you've done that once, then you're good to go for forever as long as you stay on that same computer. So let's flip back over here, and let me bring that up again. So this is what you'll get after that. And it's called a pipeline tool. Your content goes into something called a pipeline in Monogame, and you have to add everything you want to the pipeline before you can use it in your program. So normally what you'll do is you'll have an existing item, and you'll select on Add Existing Item. We'll click on that. I put the file on my desktop, so I know that that's where it is, and there it is, saucer.ping. Let's just double click on it to open it up. And you always want to copy the file to the directory. I can't think of any reason why you wouldn't want to do that, so we're always going to do that in this class anyway. Click on Add, and here it is. Now that's not enough. You also have to build the pipeline. And this is the button to build or rebuild if you're adding something that was already there. Actually, it doesn't really matter which one you choose here. You should get a green and white arrow or check mark here indicating that it worked. Every once in a while, it does not work. If that happens, you might try recreating the file and adding it again. But 99% of the time, this will work. Once you've done that, you can close this. And we're still not quite done. We need to add that to our project or to our solution. So the last step is right-clicking on content over here, clicking on Add, New Item. I'm sorry, it's not a new item. Right-click, choose Add, Existing Item, and we put it here. Now, by default, what usually comes up here is Visual C# files, and it does not show you what you're looking for. This came up the way I wanted to this time because previously I had selected all files here. And so if you don't see what you're looking for, just go down here and choose all files, and it'll show you everything. And then pick the thing that you want. We want saucer.ping. We want to add that to our content, and now it shows up here. It was in the folder before, but now it shows up as having been added to our program. So that's how you add the content. Once you've added the content, then what you need to do is read it in and throw it up on the screen and start manipulating it. And that's what we're going to do in the next video.